Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the train. Number 1. Trains are a popular mode of transportation. Number 2. They run on tracks made of steel. Number 3. Trains can be very long. Number 4. Trains can carry both passengers and goods. Number 5. Trains can be electric, diesel or steam powered. Number 6. Trains can travel at high speeds. Number 7. Passengers buy tickets to board a train. Number 8. Trains are an integral part of many cultures. Number 9. They connect cities and towns. Number 10. Trains have been a part of transportation history for centuries. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.